In this video, I'm going to be going over what is a script. A script is a document that comprises settings, characters, dialogues, and stage directions for movies, TV shows, and stage plays. A film script is called a screenplay, and a TV script is called a teleplay. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books, and they are already self published. So take a look at them, and if you have Kindle, you get them for free. There are 15 elements of a screenplay formatting, and I'm going to go into what each one is. And then in another video, I'm going to dive deeper into each of these. So let's jump in. So you're going to have page margins. You need to have proper font. You're going to add the page numbers, and of course, character names, the dialogue, the voiceovers, the off screen or off camera, and the proper character introductions. You're going to be adding the title page. You're going to have the dialogue descriptions, which could be like quietly or stuff like that. The scene headings, locations, because that's one of the biggest ones, transitions, action lines, minimal camera directions on spec scripts. And like I said previously, I'm going to be making another video which will have the explanations of each of these script elements. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. And remember, the script is what is looked at whenever there's a table read, casting, filming, rehearsals, and many more. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you're getting a lot of great content from it, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. And this is just kind of what are the important parts of a script. Again, I'm going to be diving deeper into my next video, which will have all the definitions for each of them, along with a little pre-recorded video of me explaining each of the elements. So thank you, guys. If you want to continue supporting my channel, scan this QR code here, check out my books, check out my social medias, and I will see you guys on my next video. May the force be with you always.